Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check token unlocks and vesting on Binance. There are two methods. First you can go to search here, then you can search token unlocks, and there is function, you can click it, and now you can check the unlock and vesting date. You can check for Solana network, and then meme, and then others one. And yeah, this is the first method. And the second one is you can go to your token you want to check. Let's say I want to check status here, and then you can go to info here. Then you can see there is token unlock option here. You can click it, and you can scroll down and you can see the details for allocation, unlock progress, and also unlock schedule. You can check it so you will know also the unlock events. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.